Hi, I'm Kimmy Sorensen of Kidron Media. Today I'm going to show you how to make a legacy video for and of your family and friends. Legacy videos are not just for family members over 70 years of age. You can make a legacy video for people of any age, even adding or updating every few years. They can be made to highlight recent accomplishments or to simply talk about what you've been doing over the past 5 to 10 years. So let's say we're going to make this one about yourself. First, you will need to make an outline of what you want to talk about. You can talk about virtually anything that's important to you and what you think others in the future may want to know about you. Let's face it, this video that you're making is really for people you may or may not even know, or who may not exist yet. I'm talking about your nieces and nephews, grandchildren, great-grandchildren. They haven't even been born yet. This will give them a chance to get to meet you, hear your voice, and get to know you long after you're gone. Personally, giving my future relatives the chance to see and hear me is awesome, something that I wish I had available to me of past loved ones. The second thing you will need is old pictures, new pictures, video clips that highlight and clarify the subject you have chosen to talk about. Our third task will be to edit these two elements together. If you're going to use your phone to shoot video, I recommend that you download an editing application that's easy to use and gives you lots of options and features. The story associated with the pictures and or video clips that you choose will be the pinnacle of your work. For example, perhaps you would like to make a video of your first car. So you're filmed as a talking head. This is essentially an interview scenario of you talking about your first car. As you're talking, a picture or video of you proudly standing next to your car on the first day you take ownership of it or driving down the road appears. Let's talk about how this happens. During the editing process, you will drop this photo or video clip into and above the talking head clip. You may also want to add background music to make your video more aesthetically pleasing. This same technique can be followed for your college graduation, your parents' wedding, your child's first day at school. You see, the possibilities are endless. Well, thanks for watching. I'm Kimmy Sorensen of Kidron Media. Please like this video and subscribe to our website for further inspiration. We'll talk to you later.
Yeah, I got my first car in 1979. Yeah, 1979. It was a beautiful, rundown 1969 Volkswagen Beetle. Boy, I'm sure glad I got it because I really needed some transportation. So I got the car. I paid $500 for it, and it worked great right up when I started working on it. Apparently, mechanical work is not my forte, but you know what? It was interesting and fun to work on. I enjoyed having it.